welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Now we have understand why we need to do hydroponic for our home garden. You all must have decided by this time to give an attempt. So today we will talk about some of the key benefits which will support your decision. In this video, I will share with you the major noticeable advantages of the hydroponic system over the soil growing, which will build your trust into the system that it is really useful for growing good healthy plants. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel and keep your bell notification button on so as not to miss out any of my upcoming new upload. Let's start the video. The versatility of the hydroponics makes it popular throughout the world. Its application found from simple household backyard garden through a large scale commercial greenhouses. It is found suitable to an isolated location in the Atlantic and also under the zero gravity on the space station. At the other end of the spectrum, hydroponic is feasible culture for the low income societies also. Very simplified hydroponic system using waste material and the basic supply of the nutrient are now known as popular hydroponics, which is now being adopted by the people living under the harsh condition of the existence have turned into the satisfying some of their nutrition need through hydroponic culture. Hydroponics may be the answer for the future food shortages. The point is that you can grow some of the most nutritional vegetable hydroponically, such as tomatoes, pepper, lettuce, herb, and so on, that provide a healthy product for your diet. Hydroponics has become popular in all societies as people learn many of the benefits, like grow crop free of weeds, in better control of the pests and diseases, obtain a high yields of highly nutritious and safe vegetable crops. Also, it has a least environmental footprint. This is a win-win situation for you and the environment in terms of more efficient method of the water usage, less dependency on the toxic pesticides, superior quality of the products in both flavor and nutrition, and require least of transportation as it can grow easily in the idle space of the urban area or the few of them. If we compare it to the conventional growing, some of the obvious advantages of the hydroponic over the soil culture includes no soil required. You can grow it in a water or inert media, so you don't need good fertile soil only for growing. No need to worry on the soil type and structure. Water holding capacity or poor drainage are not an issue. Use of heavy machinery also eliminated for plowing and land preparation. Less labor required. As there is a no soil, no weeds, no compaction, so labor required for tilling, hoeing, fumigating, watering, and other traditional practices are largely eliminated. As a result, most essential gardening tools for your outdoor vegetable garden are eliminated. So, no need for hand towels, cultivators, hoes, shovels, garden forks, racks, wagons, garden carts, power tillers, and so on. You can grow plants anywhere. As a fertile land for the group crop field is not limiting factor, means crop can be grown even where the no suitable soil is exists. It is possible to grow crops in a remote barren land like a desert or rocky terrain found into mountains, even where the soil is contaminated with the diseases or having a high salt concentrations. Indoor growing is also possible, unlike a traditional gardens that requires outdoor space and sunlight for the plants to grow. With the help of artificial lighting, hydroponic systems are easily incorporated into many homes on the terrace, in balcony, or even inside a room, regardless of their size or location. Better control over soil related disease and insects. With the elimination of the soil, there is no place for the pest to thrive. Even if infection started by any means, it can get rid of easily. Also, the soil-borne plant diseases are more rapidly eradicated in a closed system, where it can be totally flooded with an irrigant. Efficient sterilization of the medium between the crop turnarounds can be done with a ease, result in a minimum pest and disease problem. More control on a plant growth. Nutrition continuously fed to the plants are homogeneous and stable, which can be controlled to the required level. Also, specific formulation can be developed for the specific crop needs at the different stage of the growth, will help in maximizing the plant growth. Higher plant density is also possible. Plants grown in soil have to follow a rigid spacing guideline to allow each plant equal access to the soil's somewhat limited supply of the water and nutrient. In hydroponic system, it is possible to deliver a denser nutrient-charged solution to the root zone. So plant growth is not limited by the water or nutrient availability, but only by the available light sources. So plant can be grown closer together without competing for the root space. This results in accommodating a higher plant per unit area. Faster growth rates are achieved. Hydroponic system typically result in a faster growing and higher yielding plants. This is likely due to the increased oxygen level maintained in the nutrient solution and the carefully controlled environmental factors, which will stimulate the root growth and enhance the nutrient uptake. This optimal growing condition equates to the less nutritional and the water stresses, and as a result, plant matures sooner with a more bountiful harvest. Increase crop productivity. Due to ability to control many of the plant environmental and horticultural need easily and accurately in hydroponically. Normally yields are at least 20% greater over the soil culture unless you are a well experienced soil grower. Then such yields may be equal to those of the hydroponic. Maximum overall yields. These are possible due to the higher density of the plant maintained per unit area and with the good environmental and nutritional control result in the good growth and combined effect of the both result in a very high yield per unit area. It ranges between 4 to 20 times, making the system economically feasible in a high density and expensive land areas. It is less backbreaking. Plants grown in hydroponic system are typically grown on a counters, benches, or tables, etc., or the use of the vertical plant towers which puts them above the wayside for the most of the growers. At this height, mature plants are easier to harvest since there is no need to bend down or kneel to reach the plants. Also, bending over is avoided for hoeing and weeding as required in the normal soil garden. This is an important advantage for the growers with a limited mobility or physical ailments that prevents them from gardening at the ground level. Less water consumption. Even though hydroponic systems depend primarily on the water to grow the plants, actually they use between 80 to 90% less water than the plants grown into the ground. In traditional gardening, a large amount of water is applied to the soil to allow adequate moisture to reach the root zone. When moving through the soil, water evaporates or leaches deep down to the soil and lost. Only a percentage of it reaches to the root. In hydroponics, the water immediately reaches to the roots with a little loss to the evaporation and practically no loss to the deep soil. Less contamination of the soil. Conservation of the water and nutrient is a feature of all the system. This can lead to a reduction in the pollution of the land and streams because of the valuable chemical need not to be lost. In many systems, the nutrient solution is recirculated multiple times before becoming unusable and discarded, further improving the water usage efficiency. You will have a better crop quality. With the flexibility to alter and control the combination of the nutrient supply to the root zone and maintaining a favorable environmental condition optimum for the plant growth helps the plant to reach its full genetic potential, results in a higher quality of the fruits. Further, with the automation of the irrigation cycle, water is managed to suit the specific stage of the plant growth, and the crop result into a fruit firmer with a longer shelf life that leads to a less shrinkage upon storage and good marketable product. More efficient use of the fertilizer, as there are no losses of the nutrient due to the leaching or getting locked into the unavailable form as into the soil. All the nutrients are directed to the plant root uniformly and are readily available. As a result, no loss of nutrient occur beyond the root zone. So lower concentration of the nutrient can also be used. Also, the pH of the nutrient solution can be controlled to ensure the optimal nutrient uptake. The plants will have less transplantation shock. Root chemistry to operate efficiently does not require root hairs, so shifting to a different location only require to maintain the wet condition for survival. This can be further minimized by using of the growing cubes to retain the roots into the cubes ready to grow out immediately after the transplanting to the growing system. You can have an extended growing season. Cold climates with the chilly winter temperatures and the shorter day lengths prohibits the plant growth. With the greenhouse type operations, the light, temperature, humidity, and composition of the air can be manipulated to maintain the favorable growing condition for the plant year round. Under the extended growing season in a greenhouse, annual yields may exceed 2 or 3 times that of a outdoor soil growing. There will be a fewer pest and less pesticide usage required. Most hydroponic systems are indoors. Pests aren't are prevalent and have control entrance. Insects find it more challenging to infiltrate the system and attack the plants. Plus, fewer pest problem means little or no need of the pesticide usage. Less trouble from the animals. There is no need to worry over the invention of your indoor hydroponic garden by many of the troublesome animals outside looking for the meal, such as rabbit, deer, birds, mice, and small rodent. If any of them get into your home or indoor garden, you can easily trap them, but their entrance into the home should be very seldom, if at all it occurs. It's a very clean production with no soil or dirt present, no messy hand from soil and its constituent. It is a very clean method of gardening. Even the products are sanitary with no biological disease organism present. It is always easy to see only the advantages of the hydroponics, but we must not forget some distinct disadvantages also exist. As with anything, it is essential to understand the drawbacks to avoid the surprises later on. Few of the important disadvantages of the hydroponic to note down are very expensive setup. So initial costs can be higher than the soil culture. Construction cost per acre is very high due to the requirement of the special plastic container filled with the costly inert media and require a metal frame for support, plus water distribution system with pump and electric power to operate the system. System vulnerable to the power outage. Both passive and active hydroponic system depend on the electricity to power the different component for its operation, such as a grow light, water pumps, aerators, fan, etc. Any power failure will affect the entire system. A loss of power can be detrimental to the plants and even cause a loss to the total crop in a couple of hours. In case if this goes unnoticed and failing to arrange the power backup in time by the grower. Constant monitoring and higher maintenance is required. Hydroponic requires a higher level of the monitoring and a micromanaging than the growing plants than traditionally. To maintain a carefully controlled growing environment, all system components need constant vigilance. Lights, temperatures, and many aspects of the nutrient solution, such as the pH and electrical conductivity. The nutrient solution also need to be flushed and replaced regularly, and the system parts requires cleaning often to prevent the build-up and clogging. Water-based microorganism issue. Because hydroponically grown plants are grown into the water instead of the soil, chances of waterborne diseases are considerably higher. With the water circulating continuously through the system, infection can spread quickly throughout the growing system, affecting the whole collection of the plants. In extreme cases, a waterborne disease can kill all the plants in a hydroponic system within hours. Problem affects the plant quicker than the soil. Actually, soil acts as a buffer and protects the roots from the extreme temperature changes, slows the spread of the diseases, and pests from attacking, and regularly releases and absorbs the nutrient. Without soil to act as a buffer, plant grown in hydroponic system react unbelievably fast. Hydroponic system reacts negatively to the problem like temperature variation, nutrition deficiencies, and diseases much quicker. The grower must observe the plants every day. If left unnoticed, it will severely damage the crop. Additional knowledge is needed. Hydroponic growing requires basic knowledge of how plant grows and horticulture practices to follow, same as traditional garden. Over and above, principle of nutrition and the chemistry knowledge is also important. Calls for a trained personnel must direct the growing operation. Looking to these constraints, the question arises, should we really try hydroponics at home? I will say yes, absolutely. Hydroponic is a great way to try growing a healthy plants at home without the use of soil. While it may seem it is complicated and expensive to start with, we must not overlook this majority of the benefits of higher yield per unit area with clean and nutritious food with least of pesticide use and flexibility and ability to grow in an urban area helping in maintaining a freshness with the least of carbon footprint. Those are far outweigh the more precise procedure to follow for the hydroponic growing. With all of this benefit, why not to garden hydroponically? We only need to continuously watch out for the pitfalls along the way. Many small household units are now designed to minimize your mistakes. Now nutrients are readily available prepared, so you just add them into the water in amounts clearly set out in the directions. And if you wish to more challenges, you can derive your own nutrient from the basic fertilizer salts. It is very satisfying hobby that will uplift your spirit by producing a healthy vegetable of the superior flavor and the nutrition. After knowing the basic and importance of the nutrient in the hydroponic system, it is important to understand the role of nutrient in the plant growth, its usefulness and impact of the nutrient on the plant growth in detail. All that is coming up next. Don't go away. Stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe below my channel. Happy growing.